Hey guys, what's up? What's going on? Welcome back to Keegan's Kitchen. Today I'll be showing you how to make this delicious baked Szechuan chicken recipe. Stay tuned. All right, so we're gonna start off by cleaning our chicken. I'm gonna add some fresh lime to it. All right, guys, so after this, I'm just gonna clean the chicken up real quick, remove, the extra fat, and all these, stuff that I don't need. All right. Like I said, guys, you just wanna remove some of these extra fat, extra skin. Clean it up a little bit. So at this point, guys, you just want to mix all these lovely dry ingredients together. So I have some chicken seasoning, Szechuan seasoning, onion powder, black pepper, garlic powder, chicken seasoning, and a little bit of complete seasoning. All right, so now we're just going to combine everything together just to make sure it's nicely mixed. So after your seasoning is fully combined, we're just going to set this aside, season up the chicken, and marinate it for about 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, then we'll go ahead and toss it right into the oven. All right. Time to add my seasoning. All right, guys, so here I have some fresh thyme, scotch bonnet pepper, garlic, and some red onion. Toss it right in. And then go ahead and rub it in. Just make sure the chicken is nicely seasoned. And we're also going to add a little bit of olive oil. This is going to allow the seasoning to soak right in. And we're going to let it sit for about 30 minutes. All right, guys, like I said, we're just going to let this sit for about 30 minutes. And then we're going to bake our chicken for about 40 minutes, 40 to 45 minutes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. This is what I'll be baking my chicken in, my cast iron skillet. If you have one at home, go ahead and use it. If not, just use a regular baking tray. All right, and we're also going to add some water. Not a lot. All right, so we're just going to bake it right now, guys, for 40 minutes, and we should be good to go. All right, guys, so right now at this point, we're going to top it off with some Szechuan spicy sauce, and then we're going to put it back in the oven for about 5 to 10 minutes. All right, guys, so this is it. We're just going to take a quick taste test and let you know how it turned out. All right, guys, so like I said, I'm going to do a quick taste test and I'm going to let you know how it is. All right. So far, it's nice and tender, super soft. The Szechuan sauce glaze is on top. Perfect. Wow. The Szechuan sauce, you know, added a nice little salty taste to it. Not like salty in a bad way, but perfect blend, you know, perfect combination. Mm, this is good. If you enjoy watching this recipe, guys, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel for more amazing recipes. Peace.